to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So in this video today, I have decorated a fruit tablescape. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today it is freestyle and I cannot wait to see you there. So let's head on over to the tablescape. You'll see the centerpiece with that fruit bowl in the center. I love it. So now this is the place setting, and I'm loving this as well. Now we have the napkins here that were gifted to me, and the napkin rings, they came from Kirkland's. We're going to move on over to the flatware, and that came from Home Goods. So I have one of the clear dishes here from the Dollar Tree. And here we have the dinner plate. Isn't that absolutely beautiful? I believe I got that at Hobby Lobby. Now we have a wooden charger. This wooden charger was thrifted at the Goodwill. And then we have that beautiful placemat, and that also came from Hobby Lobby. So we're going to go ahead and layer this back. This beautiful wine glass is melamine, and it did come from Walmart. So here we have the votive and the votive holder, which came from the Dollar Tree. Now if we look at the centerpiece, the candle holders came from the Goodwill, and then we have the candles, which came from the Dollar Tree. We have the holder, the gold holder that the dough bowl is laying on, that came from Dollar General. The dough bowl holding the fruits, that came from the Goodwill. And the fruit itself, I purchased at numerous stores. I've had them for a while, so I can't say exactly where I got them from, but look how gorgeous this looked. So I decided to go ahead and use that ice bucket and filled it with lemons. And so I thought that was amazing. So here we are at the reveal. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to join us every Tuesday at 6. So have an amazing day, and God bless you. Amen.